Let's talk about saving money and respecting your money. And this is just my point of view. And if this point of view helps anybody out there that might be going through anything as far as your money being tight and you trying to use your resources correctly, now listen to this message. All right. So in this day and age of social media, there's a lot of people advertising services or things that they could put you on to that's going to cost you, whatever it might be, whatever you think that you need to use. But you have to be careful about these subscriptions and about certain things in your financial scope. You got to utilize your resources. You can't be scattered all around where you taking the next hot thing and spending more money. Focus on the subscriptions that you got right now and see, do you really need them? Are you using them? Or are they making a benefit in your life? And if they're not, then you got to delete those memberships, those subscriptions, so you could put it towards something better. And sometimes we might have something that we already utilizing or that we already got ourselves into that needs to be opened up a little bit more and used as a main resource. Find out what's going on in your life and understand that every dollar you put out there has to work for you, not against you. And it can't be idle. You can't be paying off a student loan and you can't get a job. You got to go back to that school and say, yo, bro, what's up? I'm paying back a student loan that is creating a financial burden on me and I can't find a job. Your resources department, your resume department, your job interview department needs to do something because I need to find work and stuff like that, et cetera, et cetera. So you got to mean business with your money. Understand that we all got our financial scope. And listen, your financial scope is a blessing, but you got to look through it and understand where your money is going. So once you understand where your money is going and being utilized correctly, then you're going to see more growth in your financial scope. Don't get misled. Don't get confused, because now we got the social media thing where we see people doing advertisements in front of us every day, and we got to be careful with that. So I just want to leave that with you guys. 2K Trading. We talk about stocks over here right now. We're talking about Bitcoin. We're in Bitcoin right now. We're currently in Coinbase at an average price of $149. And we're also in BMNR at an average price of $22. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to hit you guys with this information. And I hope that this information could help anybody out there that might be going through a financial struggle or trying to get a breakthrough in their finances, so you can analyze your finances and find your resources inside of wherever your money is going right now. Wherever your money is going right now, you got to analyze it and see if that money is going to be able to bring you more money and break it down as much as possible. And if it's not, then it needs to be eliminated off the balance sheet. All right, man. 2K Trading. Peace out, y'all. Much love, respect, peace, love, happiness. Let's spread it out, man. And remember, 10,000 steps a day, healthy, wealthy, $300,000 in your brokerage account, $300,000 in my brokerage account. Let's go. We doing it this year. Let's make it happen. Let every day count. All right. Peace.